Hi friends, welcome back to the Pep Talk. I am your friend, your host, your trainer, your mentor, Sudeep Nag, Captain Nag, Brother Nag, once again back with yet another interesting video. Friends, today I want to show you this beautiful flower. Wow, amazing, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it unique? Well, friends, just like this flower, you and I, we are unique. We are special. Well, but life as it is, as I've always said, it's a difficult thing. At times, people around us, situations around us, plucks out the petals from the flower that is so unique, so beautiful, just like us. And then it breaks us into two and it throws us into a bin. Like, let's take any situation in life, for that matter, the current situation. You might be in a situation where you have lost your job. People around you must be talking negative things. Such a situation where your businesses might be in big trouble, or in your personal life you must be going through a difficult time, or for that matter in some kind of a relationship you are struggling. Just like this flower, not just in this situation, right from our childhood, petals after petals will be taken out, and one day the flower is broken and put in the bin, just like what we might be feeling at times. So here is the thing, here is the deal. What we need to do so that we can get back ourselves, our uniqueness. Well, self-talk, the power of self-talk, the power of positive words, not just to yourself, to anybody that you speak to, and of course the power of positive attitude and positive thinking. Well, friends, life is, as I said, quite tricky. What happened? What happened? Why were you looking at me like that when I was trying to light the cigarette? Well, I'm sure you were looking at me in that way, amused way, because you thought, why am I trying to light the cigarette on this video? Well, do you know, friends, that more people, 4 times more people die not of cancer but of diabetes in the world. But yet, when I take a bar of chocolate and I eat it, you don't tell me anything. You don't think bad of me. You don't tell me, whoa, 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 stop. You are not even amused. But then, more than smoking, more than cancer, diabetes kills people. And even if you smoke throughout your life, the chances of being affected is much lower, because the genes matter more than you smoking. How did that feel? Don't believe me. I was just making up a story for you. I just made it up right now. This is not true. Just for the sake of argument, I keep telling people all these things, but it's not true. Out of 5 people, 5 of my friends whom I told this story, 2 people have started smoking. So, words are powerful. When we talk to somebody, when we tell somebody, we can make his life or we can break his life. Similarly, when you talk to yourself, self-talk, you can also make a difference in your thought process by talking the right things, the right way, and with the right attitude. And here's the deal. If you are going through a bad time, businesses are not doing well, as I said, you must have lost a job, or you are at a standby, not getting paid, or you're looking for a job and not getting a good job, you must be feeling really low, isn't it? Don't feel so. Power of positive thinking. What does that say? It's seasonal. Just like a season, it changes. Summer, rainy season, winter season. Similarly, your situation is going to change like a season. For example, 20 years back I'd gone to Bangalore for the first time. And the second time was when I went to Bangalore last year. When I landed, I asked a friend, where's the old airport? I can't see it. This is a new airport. Where is it gone? The old airport. He said, it's all changed. Now this is the airport. So I learned a lesson. I understood that things change over a period of time. Even living things and non-living things, all of them change. Even a course of a river widens between the valley of two mountains. If you visit now and if you visit again after 20 years, it will have changed. So nothing is permanent. And why are we looking for permanent solutions for temporary problems? So when you don't have money, you are seasonally broke. When you don't have a job, you are seasonally jobless. So nothing is permanent, and not even this particular situation. So I already talked about the power of words. I talked about the power of self-talk. Here is the thing. And when you talk to yourself or others, talk with compassion. Talk with compassion. The other day, a kid had come to my place, my neighbor's kid. He had a habit of drawing on the walls, and he was drawing. And I said, hey, whoa, wait, what are you doing? He looked at me. I said, don't do that again. Don't draw on my walls. Next day he came again. Guess what? He didn't stop. He didn't listen. This time he was drawing and looking at me and smiling. Then I called him, and with compassion, I hugged him and said, listen, he was just a 4-year-old kid. I said, listen, now you're a grown-up kid. You're like a grown-up man, a boy. I think you shouldn't do this. And guess what? He never did that again. So what harsh words cannot do, compassion can. And similarly, when you do self-talk, when you talk to yourself, have compassion. 3 things, my friend. Nothing is permanent. Everything is seasonal. And is this problem that we are all facing? Situations are seasonal. Power of words and the power of self-talk. And if we can do that well, guess what? That flower that I tore and threw into the bin and compared with our lives, how it breaks us into two and finally throws us into the bin, we can grab our hand right in and pull it back and have the same flower and the same fragrance back again. So the learning is that we can pull ourselves up, we can pull others up. All we need is the power of word, power of positivity, and the power of self-talk. Thank you so much once again for watching the Pep Talk. Your friend, your host, your mentor, trainer, Mr. Nag, Sudeep Nag, Captain Nag, Brother Nag, would like to bid you goodbye. Until next time, be well, be in good health, do care of yourself, good care, and never forget, carry that beautiful smile.